Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about the truth about affiliate marketing in 2020. I typically make one of these videos every single year talking about the updates, the projection, where affiliate marketing is going, where I think it's going based off of my own data, and where you need to be right now to prepare yourself for 2020. If you're watching this video, most likely it probably is the end of 2019 or 2020. Regardless, what I'm teaching you here will work for days and years to come. So without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so by clicking that red subscribe button and tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because this channel is truly about helping people make more passive income and live a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment while creating a long-term sustainable business. So if I were to sum up this video, what I'm about to talk about in just one single word, it is branding. Branding is the future of marketing. It's going to be 2020, much like the 1990s when belly-to-belly marketing was really big, belly-to-belly selling. We're kind of going back to go forward in a sense, where you need to have multiple touches with your prospects. What do I mean by that? Most people aren't going to buy just on the first go like they used to in the early 2000s when the internet was really starting to gain steam and momentum, and you could just use Google AdWords, do a little SEO, send people straight to an offer, and they would buy on the first go. Fortunately, it really doesn't work as effectively now in 2020. You need to make sure that, number one, you're doing video marketing. 80%, yes, 80% of the traffic on the internet, search traffic specifically, is video. So when people are typing in something on Google or YouTube search engine, obviously if they're on YouTube, they're gonna be looking for videos anyways, but on Google search engine, 80% of people prefer to view video over any other piece, such as an article or an audio. So video is the future of marketing. And the great thing about video is you can connect with your customer, your client, your prospect a lot faster and a lot better through video. They're able to see you. You build that instant trust with them because they see you, and thus creating leads and sales a lot faster. So I would highly recommend that you're putting up content very, very frequently. At least 3 to 5 pieces of content per week. Look at what your competition is doing and see how you can do it better. What view of the market are they taking, and what do you agree with? What do you disagree with? And what's the actual truth? One of the things that I do on my channel is I'm always showing proof of income, proof of concept, proof that what I teach actually works. And so a lot of people aren't doing that. What they're doing is it's like monkey see, monkey do. They hear something from somebody else and they go out there and they regurgitate it without actually even testing it for themselves. Thus, the market listens to this, they think it's true, and they go out there and they start implementing a lot of things that aren't even working. So what you want to do is you want to be unique. You want to separate yourself from all the other noise in the marketplace. Take a contrarian view on the marketplace and really ask yourself the question, is that actually true? And even if you think it's true, but you haven't challenged that belief, challenge that belief and test it and show your audience the results. Because this is something that I'm doing that a lot of people aren't doing in the marketplace. I'm taking a lot of, like my niche specifically is, online business consulting, affiliate marketing. And so I'm looking at what everybody else is doing on YouTube in my niche, and I'm challenging their beliefs, their so-called facts, and I'm testing it, and then I'm showing my prospects, I'm showing my potential customers on video, my results, from what I've heard from XYZ person over here. So what it does is it allows you to stand out, and it shows that you're real and you're actually telling the truth. And that's really what people are looking for in 2020. Spend a little bit more time connecting with your audience through the comments, connecting with your audience personally on Facebook, really listening to your audience and not focusing so much on automation, but taking the best of automation and the best of personal connection and putting them together. One of the things that I've done over the course of the past year to generate nearly $400,000 with just one single product is simply taking people from YouTube over to Facebook, yes, Facebook Messenger, and having a personal conversation with them, building that know, like, and trust factor, and then actually introducing my product and really seeing if they're a good fit. And we've got pretty incredible conversion rates just from doing that. We're looking right around 30 to 40% conversion rates just from Facebook chat on a $3,000 product. So it goes to show you, when you take automation, when you leverage video, the power of video, and you combine that with the personal aspects of having personal conversations through Messenger with people, you've got a perfect marriage to create massive success in your online business in 2020. So to summarize this video, number one, make sure that you're doing video. Make sure that you're focusing on building a brand. Make sure that you're putting out content at least 3 to 5 times a week, taking the problems in your marketplace, listen to the problems that people are having, and then create content solving those specific problems, and then personalize that by either, having personal phone conversations with the right fit of your audience, and also, having personal messages go out to, your audience to where you can personally connect with them, because people are actually looking for another human that they can speak to, that they can talk to. They're sick of going through yet another course. They're sick of going through yet another program, and they just want a mentor. They want somebody that's going to guide them and help them every step of the way. So I hope you got value from this video on the truth about affiliate marketing in 2020. Make sure you take what I taught you in this video, you go out there and implement it, and most importantly, make sure that you're doing video. There's nothing more powerful than video, especially doing YouTube video, because when people are typing something in the search engine, that is the most targeted kind of prospect on the internet, and you could be right there on video to give them the answer to their problems, and then eventually indoctrinate them and funnel them into whatever program that you have. So it's really consistency. It's, content is king here in 2020. Consistent content, whether it be native posts of, on Facebook, it could be even, text posts on Facebook, but a lot of content on YouTube, a lot of content on TikTok. TikTok is an up and coming big platform for entertainment, for comedians, and even for educators like myself and yourself. So make sure that you're leveraging these platforms, but you start with one, you master it before you branch out. Start building an audience, start building followers on one single platform. Don't get overwhelmed by feeling like you need to be everywhere, even though a lot of gurus are saying that. What that would result in is you just trying to be a jack of all trades, and we don't want that. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know more about building an online business, marketing strategies, YouTube strategies, I'm going to post some links in the description that you can go ahead and check out. This is Josh Elder signing off, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.